Brawling, you know the badness, you see me? As you don't know, Reaperz Entertainment, Rk.Designs, you see me? There right now, on a vlog, you see me, we are introducing the vlog to you guys, because you don't know. There how you do it, you understand? And we just say, alright, cool, why not entertain you guys with everything we are going with on the road, meeting new artists and all that different stuff. We have a lot of things for all of you guys, so just stay tuned, you understand? Like, share and subscribe to the thing, because as you know, we're new and we just try to put the thing out there. So today with us we have, you don't know, a well-known, you know, YouTuber, you understand? Talk about bad machine too, you understand? So you don't know the badness, you don't know look here too, one that behind the camera, right?
You don't know Rk.Designs, Reaperz Entertainment, we represent. We out here, man. Just want to look out for things, great things.
No joke.
So we're there with Siva, franchise boss.
Yeah. No joke. See that there, no?
You don't know.
Yeah.
Franchise. Like, share, subscribe to the boss thing.
Yeah.
You see me? RK. That's the RK.
Yeah.
Yeah. Reaperz Entertainment.
Yeah.
You see me? We not just love car, we love entertainment to unite.
Yeah. No joke, man. That is it, man. So as we are saying, this is a few things about, we have a lot of things to do for you guys. So just stay tuned. That's what I want you to think. Oh.
Sivahotbox.
Can do. Grab and do.
Stop. Fine, turn up.
Experience.
Ramadan.
Just drop, make us celebrate.
Brawling, you know. You know the bad.
Siva!
You're in the funny.
Power up more. Sure, go by there. Me not go feel it. Try man. Go closer. Me go closer to me.
Sivahotbox. Brawling.
Yo, it down with the panic bank inside.
Them know me no ordinary. Sling me dedicate. Bag of money for my mind on me.
Money block. Fire boss.
One life.
You know where you go, you know?
That's it.
I mean, Linstead celebrity them there. Fully grown, you know?
So we're there right now, about to set up a bonfire right here, so you understand. Set up a huge fire right here. You see me? It's franchise over there, so. Van done. See that hard work, you know, man. Bro, lean at them, G, see the nice river here. So guys, we at Rapid River here in Chilani, right at the border of Chilani and Saint and Jesus. You want to know face?
Saint and Jesus. You want to know face?
Cha-cha. Sting your fruit. Shit. I was gonna be behind, bro. Yeah, man. Right, alright, so man. Man, I'm behind, man. Try more. So you go, I work with the pan. You see me? Yeah. I just work, you see me? Fully money.
This up and look at you.
You know, so sharp, you know, but there you go. There you go. Jordan at box. Yeah, them a work, man. No joke.
Like a boy for violating.
Yeah, get chopped. You can get chopped. Take a that. No, yes sir. We have more light, yes sir. I understand. Hot box up there so I get ready for the other shoot. Now we just do it, guys. You see me? Yeah, so as I say, this is the first track of my production. You understand? Reaperz Entertainment. You see me? Sivahotbox. As me I try to show you body range over here. So you right.
That is it.
Big up MJ. You know the badness. Big body range. Hold on here.
One photo snap over this and that.
Big body range.
3D.
No joke. Oh joke, so you dog them over here so now. That is it. What you say? Phoenix scene now?
No, come down, man. Full of scene.
Yeah.
Full of cream.
Yeah. Brawling, that is it, man. Rabban, dot.
Like me, Reaperz, we are going to give free fuck. I'm worried for girls in Reaperz.
Brawling. That is it. Fully, man. So you G them outside, you don't know. You see me? Yeah, man, there set up on his set. You see it? That is it, man.
Call it snowflake. Spend money pan brand, me no know about fear. Boy, you never live yet. Hot box. Yo, Messiah. The money.
never lie, man. You know, I just want to say big up everybody we roll through today. We show them support. Trust me, it really mean a lot to me and the team. You understand? Everybody we represent for Rk.Designs and media, and everybody we represent for Reaperz Entertainment. You understand? Big up Cool It Dan. You understand? Big up Plantain and big up Bad Nerves. You see me? Big up Siva. Big up Shot by Death. You see me? You don't know the badness. You see me? Yeah, man, I really appreciate the turnout today. It was a real success. Everything behind me, seeing we just reach home and finish my sort out them there. But kind of tired right now. So, you know the badness. But as I say, like, share and subscribe to the thing. Because I can see we are bring bangers to you, we are bring, you understand, good content to you, you understand, straight entertainment, you understand. So this is our official vlog. We are going to show everything behind the scene. We're going to show everything, every music video shoot over there on, you know, every photo shoot, any little outing, a lot of things. So subscribe and like and just help us grow, you understand? Because you don't know, Reaperz come here to represent and Reaperz come here to take over. You hear me tell you? Remember me tell you that, man. You understand? I want Reaperz, man. Long time we I said this. One Reaperz, you hear that? Never fail. One Reaperz. Look out for the clothing line. You see me? Stay tuned for that, cause you don't know when we drop collection and not normal. You understand? But I just want to drop something positive with you guys as well too. I just want to say, yo, never give up. You understand? Always know where you want it. Always good to know where you want in a life. If you don't know where you want it, now go work. You understand? So know where you want and just go for it, no matter how hard it seems, no matter the struggles where you go through. May I tell you, man, just have a strong mind and believe in your thing. When nobody not believe in your thing, believe in your own thing, man. You hear me tell you that even when you're in a seat, when you see the road clear and you say, Jaja, woman for go, just know, say, for you believe it will happen. Remember me tell you, it might sound cliche, but one of the greatest thing will change my life. You understand? See it and believe it and achieve it. You understand? Yeah, man. So just subscribe to the channel and just drop a comment. You understand? If you want to see more of them things here, just drop a comment and, you know, big up the team and thing. You understand? I say big up everybody who come out today. You understand? And who support the thing. You understand? Sivahotbox, big up yourself. You don't know Rob and that. You know the badness, man. You see me? Fully, I hate.